Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your Gmail account from the Gmail app on your Android device. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. First, you will need to open the Gmail app on your Android. In the top right corner, click on your image to go to the menu. Here you'll be able to see all the mails that you have. And you'll need to select Account Management on this device at the very bottom. And then on Android, you'll go straight to your phone settings. And then you will need to select exactly the Gmail mail that you would like to delete. And then you can see that there is such a button here called Delete Account. And in order to delete it, you just click on it. After that, you just need to confirm this action. But I want to warn you that thanks to this deletion, you will not completely delete your account, only from your Android device. So don't worry, the account will still be there. And it also deletes everything like messages, contacts that are associated with it on your Android device, as well as data that is associated with that account, like from Google Maps, YouTube, Google Photo, and so on. This is how you can delete your Gmail account from the Gmail app on your Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.